Happy April Fool's Day. I'm not going to play any tricks on you today. Unlike some people. Some people like to play tricks on others. I had a guy play a trick on me earlier today. It was a pretty clever trick. And he had me going right until he said April Fool's. You know who you are, you sly devil, you. No tricks in the wood shop today. It's only serious business. It's not a very nice day, and it's going to get worse. Was just out in the apiary tying up a few loose ends out there. It's windy. It's kind of warm, not real warm. Not nice. Still very wet, messy, muddy. Today I'm going to spend in the wood shop. We've got cherry bubbly on the menu today, and we've got mating nuke frames, specifically some foundation for the mating nukes. I had to special order this. Not a lot of people run medium brood chambers. I ordered medium black right cell. So I mean, it's not that hard to get, but it is not a stock item in a lot of stores. So anyway, I ordered that a few weeks ago. It came in, I picked it up. So what I'm doing with that is I'm cutting on my table saw 5.5 inch pieces. 5.5 inches gives me 3 pieces per sheet. Then what I do with that is I snap it into my mating nuke frame. Look at that, isn't that nice? See it there? Snaps right in, makes a nice job. And then I should be able to get that drawn out. I have to devise a system to get that drawn, put these in a full-size colony this spring to draw them out. And I don't think the drawing of them is going to be rocket surgery, but it's one other step. Some people have said they have a hard time getting these drawn out. I hope I'm not one of those people. Today we're just cutting on the table saw to start with. We'll cut all these up. I've got 100 to do, so I'll end up with 300 sheets. I have 200 to use. I'm going to snap in 100 on a set of frames I'm building for somebody else. So not very exciting stuff today, but you know, you can watch if you want. Thank you for watching, by the way. Appreciate that. This is my first video after I've reached 1,000 subscribers. This is a big deal. Thank you to all you subscribers and all you viewers who aren't, and those who aren't. Why aren't you? You should be a subscriber. I hope you want to be a subscriber. I'm not going to force you. So I hope you're having fun on April 1st, staying by yourself, staying inside. So grab a bubbly and enjoy the video. Just started working here on the frames that I agreed to do for a fellow beekeeper. He really hates building frames. So I decided to offer him that service. He's agreed to pay me a little bit. Keep me busy during our isolation period. Help pay some of the bills is nice. I don't mind building frames. I don't hate it like he does. I'm more than happy to help out in that regard. These are basically mediums. They're medium depth frames. These are also cut to 1.25 inches wide. Versus 1 3/8, which is the size for most frames. I'm just going to put 1.25 inches staple in the bottom bar here. These aren't fitting super tight, so I have to put the staple in one at a time. They won't hold in there since they're smaller than my jig. I can't put the other side in there. Not a big deal. I don't know that it really slows things down much at all. Have to do a little bit, just have to use a little bit of a different method. Top bars are a little different too. They aren't milled quite like the other top bars. There's no bottom rabbet in them. A little tighter, I guess. These are mini frames. One staple will do. I'll turn this around. Line up another 11. I'm getting 11 in my 10 frame jig because they've been cut down to 1.25 inches. 30 or 40 of these little guys made. The foundation slides around in this one quite a bit. The top bar is not as deep. That'll be okay, the bees will glue that in. Can't stand to do this too long right now. Been working in the bee yard, my back's a bit sore, so standing at the bench for long periods of time is just more than I can handle. I wish I could work that fast, that would be nice. That's 8 times speed, the really fast one. So I really wish I could work 8 times as fast as I do. I get a lot more done in a day for sure. Anyway, thanks again for watching the videos. Tomorrow I think is going to be pretty awful weather here. I might just be in the shop again. Stay well and have fun.